Do you know if you read 10 minutes every day, so you can improve your fluency faster than you think? Hello everyone, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I will talk about how to improve our fluency through reading. Many people think that we can improve our fluency by speaking. But the truth is, by reading, we can also improve our fluency level. So, if you read daily for the 10 minutes every day, so you can create good habit, inculcate good habit in your daily life, and it is really very helpful to improve your fluency. And you can speak better and with speed. So, in today's video, I'm going to discuss some tips that can really helpful to improve your fluency level. So, my tip number first, read aloud. Yes, this is the very helpful tip for you. If you follow this tip, so definitely you can improve your fluency. First, what you have to do? You have to do one thing only. Select one paragraph and read aloud. If you speak slowly, so your tongue not get used to uh, mm, learn the words and it doesn't affect it. But when rather than if you start aloud. So your brain, your muscles, your tongue also get habitual to speak in this language, and it creates a great fluency in your speaking. So from today you should start speaking. My next tip is select the easy paragraph, easy context. Yes, this is the also amazing tip. If you follow it, so you can. It is very helpful to create your fluency level. Uh, as per your choice, you can select anything. If you like to reading novels, so you can start select the paragraph only. Only the novels stories as per your choice. But if you like it only the long paragraph, fiction book, non-fiction. So as per your choice, you can select. But remember one thing. If you are taking interest to read that paragraph, so it would be helpful. Otherwise, there is no use to reading the paragraph. If you reading uh, only one time and you think I would be fluent in this language, it doesn't happen. You have to follow the some way to reading. So you can. It is really very helpful for you. The next tip is only same paragraph, same context, repeat time and again. Yes, friend, you have to do one thing. Many people think that, and many learners think only I am reading one pages, two pages, five pages, and that is enough. I think it is not enough. I observed many times. In initially, I was reading the book. So what happened? I read the story, but there is no improvement in my language. So what I did, I am sharing with you only. I did one thing. I select the one paragraph as per my choice, and time and again I revise it many times, approx 10 to 20 times, and it is really amazing tip. Uh, so you can understand the structure. First, you focus to the understanding. Second, you focus to the speaking. Third, you focus to the speed. And this is the really very helpful. If you follow time and again, so it is helpful. But if you are reading only one time and you are not repeating again, so there is no benefit, I think. So reading is a very fruitful habit for you. if you inculcate this habit in your daily routine, so you can change lot of the changes in your personality, in your language as well. And my next tip is copy native speaker. This is the also very amazing tip. What native speaker does? Native speaker do only one thing. They follow the native speaker as well, and if they try to copy their style, their tone, their expressions, everything they do. So they can do easily uh, copy, and its technique is called shadowing practice. Shadowing is a really very helpful method. If you apply shadowing, so uh, it can create the new words in your personality. You can change your tone, gesture, everything you can change it. And it is also very important. So I think this video found very helpful for you. If you like this video, so please like, share and subscribe to my channel. We will meet again in the next video. Till then, bye bye.